Let's in the meantime get you the inside information that we are accessing through sources as far as the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal, and sources suggest that he doesn't want to resign from jail as it would have portrayed him as weak. And what has now been said as he wanted to continue rather with the popularity agenda, not just when it comes to the voters in Delhi, but also within the party to keep the morale high. So Tetri, because there have been questions that have been raised by the BJP if he had to resign, then why didn't he resign or step down when he was arrested?
Well, yes, there are several questions being asked as to why Arvind Kejriwal did not resign while he was in Tihar jail. So the reason, in fact, what we are getting to know is that had he announced the resignation at the time while he was in Tihar jail, then it would have, in fact, weakened his image or stand, and in fact would have given the image that some or the other way, in fact, he's accepting the fact that he is at fault, but he wanted to stand strong. He wanted to give a message that no matter what, he will be the Chief Minister of Delhi. And then there is some kind of political strategy that Arvind Kejriwal is having in his mind, and that is why he did not resign at the time while he was in Tihar jail. But yes, now what we are also getting to know is that this decision of him making the announcement that he is going to resign, so this particular decision was also solely taken by Arvind Kejriwal. However, 2 rounds of meeting were held in which he announced that he is going to announce that he will be tendering his resignation on Tuesday. So yes, and what BJP is questioning so as to why Kejriwal took so long for resignation, and and in fact BJP is also questioning that why there is this gap of 2 days. So Aam Aadmi Party has countered that he announced.
How is Arvind Kejriwal looking to benefit from yesterday's announcement to announce that he is going to step down because he wants the Imandari ka certificate from the voters?
Yes. See, absolutely. First of all, let us understand that why he has given this kind of message that he wants to come out clear in his image. So there were several dents on his image as far as the alleged liquor policy scam is concerned, because remember that senior leaders of the party, top leaders of the party were in jail, and in fact Aam Aadmi Party is such a party who has emerged out of a anti-corruption movement. So a party that has emerged out of an anti-corruption movement, and now that party is itself accused of being corrupt. So that messaging Arvind Kejriwal was very much wanted to send that the party still holds a very clear image, and what Aam Aadmi Party believes is that the announcement of resignation and post resignation on the grounds that Arvind Kejriwal will be connecting with the Janta,
well,
that he has
possible reasoning why he's decided to step down. 24 hours remaining now. Tetri continues to be with us because not just looking to capitalize further, sources further suggest that the Aam Aadmi Party is also planning to organize a mega rally on the 22nd of this month. That means 22nd of September. Party MLAs, councillors, all of them who have been asked to garner support for this gathering, the location which is yet to be officially announced, but this is coming at the time when Haryana elections are taking place. Delhi would be next after this, and with this move, is the Aam Aadmi Party trying to seek or to generate more sympathy amongst the public and to counter the corrupt party narrative that may have had a dent on its political moves? Now, the Aam Aadmi Party netas, they have already gone all out to praise their campaigner-in-chief for setting up exactly what they have been calling it as Kattar Imandar, or a new benchmark of honesty.
आई थिंक सीएम साहब ने कहा कि भाई अगर लोग सोचते हैं कि वो ईमानदार हैं और करप्शन इन्वॉल्व नहीं है तो फिर बढ़िया तरीके से उनको जिताएं।
दिल्ली की जनता के लिए आगे किस तरह से काम होगा सर?
जनता के लिए काम पहले भी हो रहे थे और आज भी हो रहे हैं और आगे होते रहेंगे।
अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने 2020 में काम के नाम पर वोट मांगा था और कहा कि अगर मैंने काम किया है तो मुझे वोट देना, मैंने काम नहीं किया तो मुझे वोट नहीं देना। आज उनपे तोहमतें लगाई गई, आरोप लगाया गया। आज मुख्यमंत्री जी ने अपनी ईमानदारी की परीक्षा, अग्नि परीक्षा देने का फैसला लिया है।
उन्होंने पहले भी मुख्यमंत्री की कुर्सी को लात मार दी थी। जो इनके तंग करने पे ना टूटे ना झुके, इन्होंने बहुत कोशिश की कि इस्तीफा दें, परंतु जब कोर्ट ने इनको बाहर निकाल दिया, उसके बाद ये जनता की अदालत में जा रहा है।
Well, after Kejriwal offers to resign, ally Congress has hit out at the AAP chief as Sandeep Dixit, the son of former Delhi Chief Minister Sheila Dixit, is not buying all of the praises that are being given to Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, has been calling it that nothing, this is nautanki or drama taking place.
It's a big nautanki, so I don't take it seriously. So they don't have a alternative even remotely capable. Secondly, this is not a transfer of power. It's a transfer of shares. This is a profit-making company, Aam Aadmi Party. It's not a political party. So they will ensure that whoever is the new person who's coming in is capable of keeping all these secrets covered. And second is, there are various areas in which we know very clearly in Delhi where the coffers of the Aam Aadmi Party are being filled, that they continue to happen and continue to happen in the control of Mr. Kejriwal and his family and an extended family.
Let's get in a word from Tetri as well, because Tetri, the ally, the Congress, does it mean that it's an ally only on the national front? Haryana, of course, the talks did not materialize, but even in Delhi as well, Congress leaders are criticizing Aam Aadmi Party convener.
Absolutely, and it is not for the first time that Delhi Congress is criticizing, or for that matter, the Congress leaders are criticizing Aam Aadmi Party as far as the Delhi, in fact, assembly elections are concerned. Yes, we have seen earlier also they have hit out at Aam Aadmi Party and called them as a corrupt party, and in fact, Congress has also several times asked for the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal. Meanwhile, while he was in Tihar jail and there were allegations on him about the corruption, and in fact, they were very clear in their position that they are allying on a national level, but there will be no alliance in Delhi, neither in the state of Haryana nor the state of Maharashtra as well. And that is why there was no consensus also in the state of Haryana while there was while the seat sharing talks were held, because Congress, as we all know, was adamant on 4-5 and Aam Aadmi Party was aiming for double digit. But then they finally decided to contest on all the seats in Haryana assembly elections. So yes, Congress is in fact very much vocally criticizing Aam Aadmi Party and in fact also questioning the timing of the resignation, and in fact alleging that this has been all done for the sympathy votes. And as we heard the Congress leader speaking, calling it...
सिरसा साहब हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ रहे हैं सर. गुड मॉर्निंग टू यू सर. जानकारी फिलहाल ये आ रही है कि जहां तक अरविंद केजरीवाल अपनी इमेज या पॉपुलैरिटी को कोई डेंट ना पहुंचाना चाहे, इसलिए कदम उठाया गया है कि वो रिजाइन कर दे या अपने पद से इस्तीफा दे दे. अब 24 घंटे उनके पास रह गए हैं सर. कांग्रेस पार्टी भी ज्यादा कन्विंस नजर नहीं आ रही है.
देखिए, डेंट इन रिजाइन देने या ना देने से नहीं होता है. जो उन्होंने काम किया है वो गलत है. शराब घोटाला, दिल्ली के नौजवानों को एक के साथ एक बोतल फ्री में देनी और उनको नशे की लत लगानी और उसके एवज में पैसे लेने, इससे दिल्ली के लोगों को पहले ही पता है. इससे ज्यादा डेंट क्या हो सकता है कि जब आप दिल्ली में पिछले 10 साल से मुख्यमंत्री की तरह काम कर रहे हों और आप पॉपुलर भी हों और आप लोगों को कहें कि मुझे वोट डाले, जेल या बेल, और लोग कहें कि नहीं जेल, और आपको जेल के नाम की वोट मिले, बेल के नाम की वोट ना मिले, तो ये तो बड़ा स्पष्ट है कि अब ये इमेज डेंट नहीं हो चुकी, इमेज खत्म हो चुकी है. डेंट होता है जिसको बाहर निकाला जा सके, जिसको ठीक किया जा सके. डेंट के लेवल की नहीं है, इमेज एक्सटेंट से बढ़ चुकी है. इसके सब पिलर खत्म हो चुके हैं. इसलिए अब ये ठीक करने से ठीक होने वाली नहीं है. ये तो अब जैसे कबाड़ी के पास ज्यादा आती गाड़ी, बस उस सिचुएशन में है, अब उससे कम कुछ नहीं है.
और सिरसा साहब, पूर्व दिल्ली के सीएम शीला दीक्षित के जो बेटे हैं वो तो सीधा तौर पे कह रहे हैं कि कुछ और नहीं, नौटंकी की जा रही है.
हाँ, तो वो क्या कह रहे हैं? दिल्ली के सभी लोग कह रहे हैं कि नौटंकी की जा रही है. और नौटंकी क्या की जा रही है कि जी मैं देखिए सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा हूँ. कह रहे हैं मुझे कोई पद का लालच नहीं है. तो जब कह रहे थे मैं दिल्ली का मुख्यमंत्री छोड़ूंगा नहीं, जब जेल के अंदर थे तब तो आपने छोड़ा नहीं, और अब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया, बातें कर दिया, आपको छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा. तो अब आप कह रहे हैं मैं सेक्रीफाइस कर रहा हूँ. ये कैसा सेक्रीफाइस है? दिल्ली के लोग सब जानते हैं. ये नौटंकी है, ये ड्रामेबाजी है. इससे लोग आगे निकल चुके हैं.
धन्यवाद सिरसा साहब हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. सो द कमिंग 24 hours it would be clearer as far as if he actually walks the talk and resigns as the Delhi Chief Minister. We also has been talking about the Congress Party because it's not buying or not being convinced enough the stand that the Aam Aadmi Party has taken. We just heard Sandeep Dixit calling it as a nautanki, and he also has been saying that there is no link between morality and Arvind Kejriwal. BJP, on the other hand, has also dismissed the announcement, the resignation announcement by Arvind Kejriwal, saying that if he wants early elections, why doesn't he dissolve the assembly?
यदि चुनाव चाहते हैं तो कैबिनेट की बैठक बुलाइए, असेंबली डिसॉल्व करके डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ असेंबली रिकमेंड कर दीजिए नए चुनाव के लिए. इसमें मांग क्या करना भाई? जिसके पास 70 में 62 एमएलए हैं, वो कह रहे मैं मांग करता हूं कि चुनाव किया जाए। ये मांग अपने आप में दर्शाती है कि उनका किरदार अपने आप में कितना विचित्र हो गया है।
देखिए, अभी दिल्ली की सरकार कितने दिन चलेगी ये तो इस बात पर डिपेंड करेगा कि चुनाव की घोषणा कब होती है, चुनाव किस तारीख को होंगे, ये तो चुनाव आयोग बताएगा। लेकिन दिल्ली की सरकार एक दिन चले, एक हफ्ते चले, एक महीने चले चुनाव तक, आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार दिल्ली की जनता के लिए काम करती रहेगी।
48 घंटे बाद की बात क्या है? देश और दिल्ली की जनता जानना चाहती है 48 घंटे का राज क्या है, 48 घंटे में क्या क्या सेटल करना है। क्योंकि आप देश के पहले मुख्यमंत्री बने हैं जो सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के द्वारा प्रतिबंधित है कि आप कार्यालय नहीं जा सकते, कोई फाइल नहीं साइन कर सकते, जिस मुद्दे में आप आरोपी हैं उस पर बयान नहीं दे सकते। कौन सी ऐसी निजी चीज है जिसके लिए आप 48 घंटे की मोहलत मांगने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं?
उसका तो सिंपल सा रीजन है, आज संडे है और कल छुट्टी है ईद की, तो नेक्स्ट वर्किंग डे ट्यूसडे है, इसलिए 2 दिन का समय चाहिए।
Let's get you more updates that are now coming in from the national capital as Safdarjung